Okay, here I'm going to see if we can make a couple of logic gates using just diodes. So the diodes that I have here are 4148 silicon diodes, and it says 4148 on the side, 4148. I'm saying this because there's another diode which is a 3v3 Zener which says 3v3 on the side, and it looks just like this. Now these two combine the inputs coming from SQ1 and SQ2, so it's a 2-input OR gate, to a single row here, which is monitored using A1. So that's your output. And this is also pulled down to ground using a 10K resistor. So if both diodes are not conducting, the 10K will define the logic state at low, which is near ground. And let me open the experiment, which is OR gate with diodes, where you can see the circuit diagram. So there's SQ1 flowing through this diode to set the output here, and this is the second input SQ2. Now without these two in place, the 10K will decide that A1 is low, the output is low. Now if either of one of them is set to high, the output becomes high. So 1 0 gives you 1, 1 1 also gives you 1, 0 1 also gives you 1, but 0 0 gives you low, which is 0. So this is your OR gate. Now if you want to try an AND gate, all you have to do is flip these two diodes, the direction, and make this a pull-up resistor instead of a pull-down. So let me open the AND gate with diodes. So you see, these are both flipped. So this one becomes a pull-up, and I'll just reverse the direction of these diodes. And that's all you need to do to make an AND gate. So here, and this is also now set like this. Okay, so 0 0 gives you 0, 1 0 also gives you low, 1 1 gives you high, and 0 1 also gives you low. Now low will not go perfectly to 0. Why? Because we have this diode here which is used to pull down, but this diode is a silicon diode with a forward knee voltage of 0.6 volts approximately, and that's what you see here. Okay, so we're just treating anything less than 1 volt as low, but if you have a perfect diode, you will go to this output will become proper 0. Okay, so the working is fairly simple. This output is pulled up to 5 volts via a 10K resistor, and if these two are high, then no current will flow. So this 5 volt will show up here. But if any of these pathways are open by making one of these low, this will drop to 0, giving you the AND gate. Okay, so I think that covers both your OR and AND gates. And I think if you just remove one of these diodes, you should be able to get your inversion, not gates. Thank you.